welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, please give this video a big like and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. So today I am going to be doing a look that I hope comes out good because it involves some nail art, and if you guys have watched my videos, I'm not the best at nail art, but I want to practice. So I have already pre-prepped my nails and everything. I have some acrylic underneath the tip on my natural nail just to protect it, and I'm using, of course, my not polished extra long no C-curve tips. So I cut down just the number on these 4 fingers, and then I cut down my thumb quite a bit. I like my thumb to be a little bit shorter than the rest of my nails, just makes things easier to do. And I'm just going to be using Core Natural for all of the nails. I don't know if I want to encapsulate it or use it for the entire nail. I probably will be painting these. Like I said, I want to do some nail art, so either I'm going to use this for the entire nail, Core Natural from Young Nails, by the way. Either use it for the entire nail or use it as a base, then cover with Mia's Secret Clear, my go-to. I just bought another one because I'm running super low. I'm using a number 14 acrylic brush as usual, and I did prep my natural nail before putting the acrylic on with this dehydrator. And then I also did 2 coats of not polished triple X bond. I want to keep these on for a little bit. So we're just going to go ahead and get started with the acrylic application. Alright guys, so I have my dust collector here. This is the one that I bought from Amazon. I did a video on that a long time ago when I first started my channel. Seems like a long time ago, but it hasn't even been a year. But anyways, I have my dust collector here, and this is what the nails are looking like. I definitely need to shorten my ring finger and my index just a little bit, but that's perfectly fine. These took me a while to apply the acrylic on, but they are long, so you need to make sure that you have good structure. So I'm going to use my 8080 file from Pana. Love these files, they're amazing. And then to shape up the sides, then we're going to go in with probably this 5-in-1 carbide bit from Pana as well. I just wanted to say sorry if you guys can hear my heater in the background. It is so cold in my garage, so I have a little space heater on right next to me. But I just wanted to show you guys, sometimes, you know, oftentimes actually, your drill bits will get clogged with acrylic, polygel, whatever product that you're using. So I bought these little wire brushes off of Amazon. It came in a pack of 3 for like $6, $5 or $6. And I just use it to lightly get off that clogged product, and it seems to work pretty good. It sharpens them up a little bit more. And then before you go ahead and disinfect these and soak them in acetone to get all of that gunk off, you can just do this to make sure that, you know, you get the majority out first, and then when you do go to clean it, it's not still full of it, and then it just kind of sits in that, you know. Does that make sense? But I love to clean my drill bits with these little brushes. I'm sure you can find them like at Home Depot or Lowe's or some type of tool store like that as well. I'm just going to use a buffing block. This is a brand new one. My other ones are, I've used them so much, so I just got a new one. I'm going to buff away all of those scratches. Alright guys, so I decided to do that nail art. I decided to try and do some like cherry blossom nails. I don't know if they look like cherry blossoms. To me they do. But I went ahead, did my thumb, my middle, and my pinky just because I'm leaving them like that. But I did put on red on my ring finger. but I'm gonna just do 2 coats of the same red. This is bottle 1's A16. I'm gonna do that on my index. So I'm gonna do the cherry blossoms just like the other nails on this finger, and then I am gonna do it on this finger but with some gems. I didn't want to show every single nail because it's very repetitive, but this nail design is so easy, guys. So trust me, if you guys are having problems with nail art like I do and it's hard, just try this one. You guys will see it's actually fairly easy. So once I have applied the red polish, I do have a little palette right here. I have some black, white, and yellow. And I don't know why on my camera it picks up as green. This is yellow, and it looks kind of green on my nail. I had some problems with that with another set I did. You guys would have probably seen that one already, but it's yellow, I promise. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a nail art brush and pick up the black and just kind of make random lines. It does not have to be perfect. You guys can just do one line, one simple, you know, swirl. It literally can be however you want. That's why I like this design so much. It's very easy to do.